The biggest blockages on a person's self growth journey are insecurities. And trust me, insecurities वो चीजें जो सबसे ज्यादा efforts और सबसे ज्यादा mood swings cause करते हैं. Which is the reason why in this video मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ practical example मेरी अपनी life से कि मैं कैसे अपनी insecurities का solution ढूंढती हूँ. And you have to follow along all of these steps ताकि आप अपनी insecurities का solution तुरंत ढूंढ सको. So stay till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down this video and also share it with your friends and don't forget to press the bell notification button ताकि आपको सब updates timely मिलते रहे. So let's jump into the video. I skipped swimming class today first of all. Disclaimer, मैं swimming class आज इसलिए नहीं गई because I somewhere thought you know there are certain things मेरे पास 2 दिन से I was not enjoying the process of swimming maybe because मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्यों. ठीक है. And personally swimming में जा इसीलिए रही थी ताकि I get a sense of achievement first thing in the morning. मुझे motivation मिले और मेरा जो दिन है वो एनर्जी से फिल अप हो जाए. एंड वो एनर्जी से फिल अप इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि when you are into something and when you have that sense of achievement first thing in the morning तो आपका बाकी का दिन भी उसी फ्लो में जाता है. So it's about setting the right tone in the first thing in the morning and मैं exactly वही कर रही थी but for the past 2 to 3 days वो sense of achievement कहीं ना कहीं break हो गया. I don't know why. मुझे पूरा का पूरा दिन लगा, इनफैक्ट आज की सुबह भी लगी उसको रियलाइज करने में. क्या तो I sat together, मैंने अपना पूरा का पूरा सब कुछ एनालाइज किया कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. I asked myself questions like why is it that I'm not feeling productive, why is it कि मुझे वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब uncomfortable लग रहा है, I'm feeling unmotivated. And I also figured out उसके बाद बाकी का दिन मेरा जो गया that was also in the same energy. I was not feeling like working. मैंने पूरा का पूरा दिन कल का I spent it entirely on watching 2 to 3 movies. ठीक है. सौम्य और मैंने दोनों ने बैठ के movies देखी हैं कल. We did not work at all yesterday. And जब हम निकले वहाँ से when we left office तो मुझे ये चीज़ realize हुई कि आज का पूरा दिन हमने कुछ काम क्यों नहीं किया. Although कल काम नहीं था which is very good. कल काम नहीं था तो ये चीजें साथ में चली गई. So there was no accomplishment yesterday. कल कुछ भी achievement नहीं थी. It was you know more of a lazy so day. तो वही when I came back home I did not want to watch any of the screens. मेरा हो चुका था. I was done with it completely. तो मैंने कहा okay let's wind up जो भी काम यहाँ बचा है रूम साफ करते हैं. Let's get the negativity out of this room first of all ताकि मेरे पास और space हो. I have the time, I have the space to think and you know collect my thoughts. So that's exactly what I did. तो मैंने जाके कपड़े धोए. I was there with my thoughts and you know while I'm cleaning while I'm doing household chores it's my habit that I keep thinking, I keep repeating certain you know situations in my mind ताकि वो मुझे एक better perspective दे कि मेरी life का कि क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है. That's exactly what I did and उसकी वजह से you know I was able to wrap around my head my thoughts कि exactly हो क्या रहा है. मैंने अपना you know I wrapped around my head around my thoughts around the situation which finally made me realize not yesterday but at night. And I also took help from Gemini. Sorry for that. I mean, I'm not sorry, but yeah, let me just tell you that I did take help from Gemini. I did explain the entire situation to Gemini, and that is when I realized that this is happening because there was no sense of accomplishment involved, and therefore I was feeling less satisfied. I was feeling low on energy, and also because maybe I am not eating the proper food, which is definitely I have not eaten banana for the past 2 to 3 days. So also another reason why I was feeling down. And yes, so coming to that part of sense of non-accomplishment, it's like when the first thing that sets the tone in your entire day. When I was going swimming, I was completely involved and focused about what the other people are doing. Like if these are the elite people, the hot shots of the city, what do these people do? I was too involved, I was too submerged in that one thought that I completely forget the why, the purpose that I was going swimming for, which is the reason why eventually that swimming became more of a social accountability thing. Like I was not going there for myself, but rather I was going there for people who are also swimming in the same pool as me. So it rather became कि मैं उनके लिए swimming करने जा रही हूँ. मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा है कि वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं. How can I become a part of them? How do I become friends with them? वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. तो वो जो sense of मेरी accomplishment थी, वो जो मेरा why था, I was going there primarily to be in good shape in my body. Like I'm healthy में रहूँ, I be active, I set a good tone for my day first thing in the morning, as I already mentioned. मैं उसी लिए वहाँ जा रही थी. Rather not, I was not going there to become friends. I was not going there to you know become a part of the elite group. But rather, eventually what happened कि पिछले 2-3 दिन से after a guy came and randomly just talked to me, मेरे दिमाग में वो चीज़ बैठ गई. Okay, people here are noticing me, which means that I am being judged. तो मेरे दिमाग का fight और flight mode on हो गया. And तो fight तो मैंने करी नहीं कि fight is never the first option for me. It never ever comes like that way. वो कभी आता ही नहीं है. मतलब fight करना is not the first thing. It is always flight for my brain, क्योंकि I have been through such situations in life that never, तो मतलब मेरे दिमाग का वो मोड सेट हो गया कि पहले फ्लाइट करेंगे फिर सोचेंगे फाइट करने का सिस्टम। तो वही एग्जैक्टली हुआ, मैंने फ्लाइट वाला सिस्टम ऑन कर लिया एंड तो यस मेरे दिमाग से सोचना चालू कर दिया कि दिस इज व्हाट पीपल आर थिंकिंग अबाउट मी, आई एम बीइंग जज्ड, तो मुझे ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, मैं स्विमिंग करूंगी तो मे बी पीपल आर वाचिंग मी, दे माइट बी जजिंग मी, सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ स्विमिंग, क्या नहीं कर रही हूँ। पहले 4 दिन ऑनेस्टली आई एंजॉयड प्रोसेस ऑफ स्विमिंग, क्योंकि मुझे घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं। और फिर मैंने एक छुट्टी ले ली और फिर 5वें दिन जब मैं गई, 6ठे दिन, it was done, it was honestly done. तो yes, this is exactly what happened. Insecurity took over me, anxiety took over me, social anxiety to be particular, and there was a lack of satisfaction because मैं अपने लिए स्विमिंग तब कर नहीं रही थी, मैं दूसरों के लिए स्विमिंग कर रही थी. It became like that. तो बस ये चीज मैंने फिर रियलाइज करी एंड उसके बाद मुझे ये समझ में आया कि ब्रो ऐसे तो चलने नहीं वाला, मुझे कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इनसिक्योरिटी का. तो फिर मैंने क्या किया, मैं सुबह जब मेरा अलार्म बजा, मैंने आज अपनी स्विमिंग क्लास स्किप कर दी एंड आई स्लेप्ट फॉर 2.5 hours, 2 hours, not 2.5. I woke up at 7:30. मैंने कपड़े सुखाए छत पे जो मैंने कल रात को धोए थे एंड while I was doing that I was in fresh air and I was thinking कि क्या करना चाहिए. तो तब मुझे ये चीज रियलाइज हुई कि भाई हैं तो वो इंसान ही ना, चाहे एलीट क्लास के हो, चाहे हॉट शॉट्स हो, चाहे जैसे मर्जी हो, whatever they are at least human beings and no matter what every human being on this planet has some insecurity. Every one of us have some weaknesses. ऐसा कुछ बहुत कुछ होता है लाइफ में जो कि तुम्हारे पास नहीं होता है या मेरे पास नहीं होता है and there are lot of things जहाँ पे मैं उनसे बहुत आगे हूँ, a lot of things. तो जब मुझे ये चीज हिट करी और जब फिर मेरे दिमाग में I read a lot of books related to Sufism, related to yogic practices. तो मुझे वहाँ पे ये चीज I thought like a monk, I thought like a fakir, I thought like a Sufi saint कि वो क्या करते हैं सिचुएशन में. If Mirabai was there, what did she do? If someone else like Kabir Das ji was there, what would he do in this situation? तो मुझे ये चीज रियलाइज हुई that in this world materialistic pleasures are not something, they're never something. What really matters, if you person who is really rich, is happy, is healthy and is spiritually stable, जो कि मैं हूँ, so which means I certainly am elite. And if you see materialistic accomplishments अभी नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, आगे तो होंगे ना. I'm working on it and there is no doubt that universe is not going to give me it. Universe will give me whatever I want. Universe is going to put me in that elite class because I am dedicatedly working towards it. So वो sense of there is no insecurity left in that case, because if I am not who I want to be, I am not that elite right now, I will be in the future. And whatever makes a person an elite or whatever makes a person rich, I already have that, right? I already am wealthy. I'm stable in my mind. I'm physically stable. I'm physically healthy. I am earning good amount of money, which is helping me survive right here in the city all on myself. So what else do I need? Which means that I already am in that strata of society where I want to be. If not through materialistic gains, but at least through my health, my spiritual stability and my happiness, because I'm certainly happy pursuing my own why of this life. So that is how I got over this one feeling of social insecurity. It was a long debate which I just told it to you in the last 10 minutes. So yeah, exactly, that is how you are supposed to get over your own sense of insecurity. It is all in the mind. It's just a mental blockage. अगर आप अपना दिमाग उसके around wrap up कर सकते हो, you can ask yourself the right set of questions. There is no one who can push you deeper into it. It's always you who pushes you deeper into that thought, and it's always you who pushes you outside from that one black hole. So yes, alright, I'm getting late for office. चलती हूँ मैं अब finish करके. So well, yes, this is another accomplishment. I got over this insecurity, and this is exactly what is stopping me from becoming the woman of my dreams, and that is the reason why I am here to work on it, and that is the reason why I'm recording all these videos, so that there is no space left for any sort of validation, any sort of insecurity, anything. So well, yes, this is another accomplishment for the day, and that is exactly how I am going to proceed forward with today's day.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered.